We have all heard the calls to be prepared for the arrival of Florence. You may have your food and supplies, but are you personally prepared for the storm and its effects after?
That's a great question. Tonight's consumer investigator, Steve Sprecia, helps you figure out what you need to do to make sure your personal life also survives the storm with minimal impact.
Ah, home sweet home. You know, we all have insurance on our homes, but if you suffer a loss, it's going to be a whole lot easier if you can tell the insurance company exactly what it was that was damaged.
Inventory lists are a must, but when it comes time to make a claim, underwriters want proof.
All that insurance company wants to know is, when did you buy that item? How much did you pay for it?
Also, don't expect full replacement value for all your stuff unless you have a special replacement rider on your insurance.
You're not going to suffer those depreciation losses if you have replacement coverage.
You can go online and pull down any number of home inventory apps. Some are free, others cost as much as $40. Or you can use your cell phone to be your record keeper.
Concentrate on big ticket items first, like this. Make sure you focus in on the model number as well as the serial number. Because your dishwasher is waterproof, use it as a temporary repository for your important paperwork and keepsakes.
Flood insurance is available to anybody living in North Carolina, but if you buy it today, thinking it'll protect you from the upcoming storm, remember, there's a 30-day waiting period for it to kick in before it's effective. If your home is damaged or destroyed by Florence, you'll have to try and put your life together. Here are some items you should safeguard and take with you if you evacuate: your Social Security card, birth certificate, passport, will or medical directive, health records, bank, credit card, and loan information. The State Department of Insurance has this website called Hurry Claims, which can walk you through all you need before and after the storm.
If you do have to file a claim, remember, there are thousands of others in the same position as you. And the insurance commissioner told me after Matthew, it took 5 months to get all the claims settled. Getting answers for you, I'm CBS 17 consumer investigator Steve Sprecia.